Hey folks, welcome back to the homestead. In this video we're making homemade lasagna, and I'll show you how to make your own noodles. You don't have to have any kind of special equipment. We'll roll these out by hand, so stay tuned. We'll start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, about a tablespoon of olive oil, and about a teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to mix this a little bit, and then I'm going to put some flour down on this board and pour this out and knead it just a little bit for a couple minutes. I kneaded that for 2 or 3 minutes and rolled it into a little ball, so I'm going to cover it with a towel and let that rest for about a half hour to an hour. I'll go ahead and start working on the meat sauce in the meantime. To make a meat sauce, I'm going to add about a half a pound of ground beef and a half a pound of Italian sausage that I've removed from the casing to a pot. Got this on medium high, and I'll let that start browning, and I'm going to cut up some onions and garlic and basil to go in it. Now I'm going to go ahead and dump in a couple cans of San Marzano tomatoes. These are actually whole peeled tomatoes, and they've got a little basil canned in with them. I'm going to do 2 cans because I want a lot of sauce. I'm going to take a potato masher and just mash these tomatoes up, and then we'll turn this down and let it simmer for a while. While the sauce is simmering, I'm going to put 15 ounces of ricotta cheese in a bowl. I'll crack 1 egg, and I'm going to do about a good cup or so of shredded Parmesan cheese. I'm just going to mix that up pretty good. Now we'll set this aside until the rest of it's ready to go. Alright, we let this set for about an hour, and I'm going to go ahead and try to roll it out. I've got the sauce simmering, and we'll give that just a few more minutes and be ready to put this together. I'm going to start cutting these with a pizza cutter. You can make them whatever size or shape you want. I'm not too concerned with the way that they look. Hey folks, hope you enjoyed this video. We made that lasagna using 4 ingredients. We used flour, eggs, olive oil, and salt. That's 4 things that we always have. I don't know about you all, but we've been in the grocery stores a lot lately, and there's empty shelves, and some things are just hard to get right now. That seems to be continuing right on. I don't know how long it's going to last, but what we're trying to do here is start a little homestead and become a little bit more self-sufficient. Just simple things like that. Making your own pasta with ingredients you already have. It saves money, and if you go to the grocery store and are out of lasagna, make your own. Chances are you've probably got flour and eggs and olive oil already and salt. So hope you like the video. Hope you give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you've got some input, and subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you. Check out some more videos. We've got more coming up. Stay safe, and God bless you all.